Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my online English video class. Once again, we are going to have English literature class in which we will study about all the question answer based on the chapter 10, that is the storm. So here, question number 1 is talking about understanding the text. Okay, so this question is given on your book page number. Just wait, I'm telling page number. Yeah. So 104, there is a page number understanding the text is given. Question number 1 to 6. So student, all the answer of question number 1 to 6 I have written here. You can see that. I will explain the question. Yes, this question I will explain you. So try to listen what I just want to tell you. Here question number 1 says, why was Alex so happy when the horse did not turn away? That is given in paragraph number 1. So answer says that Alec was happy that the horse did not turn away because he loved horses and he wanted to make friends with the black. The black is the name of the horse, as I explained you in the text. Since he first saw him, as this was the first time that the horse hadn't turned away, Alec felt that the horse was finally accepting his presence. That is why he was very happy. Clear? Question number 2. How did Alec hurt himself? What did he discover? Whom he recognized consciousness. Please check the question. Here will be whom, then after he. Okay. Try to recognize in your book. Please check the book. So answer says Alec hurt himself when he fell down as the ship shook from the battling the waves. When he regained consciousness, then he realized that the ship's engine were dead and that the situation had become very serious. People were in a state of panic, screaming and shouting while trying to get into lifeboat. Okay. So question number 3. Wait for the next one, Alec. Captain Wilson said sternly. Why did Alec have to wait for the next boat? What could have happened if he had got on this boat? So here answer says that Alec had to wait for the next boat because the lifeboat was full by the time his turn to come his turn to enter it came. If he had gotten this boat, gotten, you can write anyone, gotten this boat, he might have survived, as none of the lifeboat appeared to have gone past the stop. Why? Because not a single lifeboat was visible when Alec came up to the surface of the water, which means all of them had sunk in the storm. Okay. Moreover, the stallion would have likely died in the ship since nobody else had thought about him. Question 4. Alec fought this way out of line and towards the stern of the boat. What was Alec going to do? What is so significant about his action at this point? What does this tell about him in paragraph number 9? So Alec was setting out to free the stallion so that he could have a chance to survive. His actions are significant because he was only person, a mere child at that, on the ship who had attempted to help the stallion, the horse. This tells us that Alec is thoughtful, considerate, and a brave boy. Okay. Question 5 says, when Alec awakened because of the storm, he put on his life jacket and only then went outside. This tells us that he is quick thinking. Can you find two other instances in the story where Alec showed presence of mind? So yes, the two instances that tells us that Alec is quick thinking and are as follows. First is one is where he grabs onto the rope attached to the stallion's halter while they are both in the ocean, and another is when he can't untie the rope and remembers the pocket knife, he quickly choosing to use it that instead. So these two instances examples are show that he is really a boy who uses his presence of mind. Question number 6. In the text we read that no one could come close to the horse, nor could they remove the rope that was used to drag the horse aboard him. However, Alec not only managed to win trust of the horse, but also used that very rope to save himself. What does this tell to you about the horse? How did you think it has been treated so far? Could that be a reason why it doesn't let anyone come near it? Why do you think the horse behave differently with Alec? So these are the questions based on question number 6. So first of all, we say that question A, what does tell that about the horse? So it suggested it suggested that the horse is intelligent and perceptive. He treats people with the kindness when they treat him with the kindness. Okay, so he is very intelligent horse. Question number 2 said, how do you think that it has been treated so far? Could that be a reason why it doesn't let anyone come near it? So answer can be, the horse has probably been mistreated thus far. If the previous owner had been harsh with him, it makes sense that he would not want anyone to come near him. Okay. Question number 3. Why do you think the horse behaved differently with Alec? So Alec had treated the horse with respect consistently. Not only did he bring him sugar cubes, then he back off when the stallion did not seem to want him to come any closer. But he also went to save the horse during the storm. That is why the horse behaved differently with him. Okay. So these were your question answer, student. Now I will tell you exercises. Come to the exercise. Exercise number A is given on page number 105. I will read from the book. You please try to understand. You can open your book and then try to match my wording there. Okay. So exercise A is saying that use has, have, and had with the correct form of the verb in the bracket to complete these sentences. Okay. So first is given, Sharon dashed a large cake for the dessert this evening. So your answer will be has, had baked. Okay. Number 2 says, I dashed Jinshu these song before he joined nursery. So he taught. Okay. Then question number 3 will answer will 3 will has opened, then had to break, then 5 will be has begun, and then exercise B, this is nothing, let me just wait. Here I have to erase this. Okay, so till 5 is completed here. Now come to the exercise B. Okay, exercise B is given on page number 106. So here what you have to do, you have to choose the correct verb from the box and complete these sentences with the correct form of the verb. There is a box given in your book, page number 106, you can see. So answer is written here. First answer says have been learning, second is have been waiting, third is have been getting, have been buying, and the 5 is have been playing. Exercise C. Exercise C is what? Here exercise C is saying that read these situations and express them in one sentence. Use the clues given. So there is clues given in your book. You can check the book and then try to understand. I have written the answer here. First says he had been working on the computer for many hours. His back for many hours. That is why his back ached. Okay. Number 2, grandmother had been working for 40 years when she retired at age of 58. Number 3, Garima had been practicing for the basketball match all day and was very tired. Now question 4, Jeet and Joy were overjoyed to meet each other yesterday because they had been writing to each other as pen plans for 5 years. Number 5, kindly check the book if any word are mistaken here. Pen pals given in the book, page number 107. Then question number 5, her eyes were hurting because she had been reading until late in the night. Okay. Now words in use, that is given in page number 7. So here A is saying drawback, parting gift, pushed himself, plunged, and 6 is frantically, 7th is trust. Number B is given page number 108. Here the first is just The first is drawn back, second parting gift, third pushed himself to his feet, four is plunged, six is frantically, and seventh interest. Now B is first is a set of objects such as chits, pebbles that are drawn from a container or a set in order to decide question or choose by chance. Okay. Number B, plenty. And then after second, first is eat or feed, then second is touch lightly while passing. Number 3A, radiant, shining. Number 3B, brilliant with lots of possibility. Number 4A, scenery. Number 4B, way of considering or looking at the certain matter. Opinion, relax, not to use the health beneath. Number 5A, that others of remaining. Number B, ever now. Number C, a motionless. Okay. Just wait a student, let me check in the book. Number C, that only. And then after, okay, one thing is remain. Let me make it correct. Now here will be motionless, and then after number B, here number B will I will write even now. Okay, even now. So that is here, this even now will not be here. Let me cut this. Okay, 5A will be 5A is just wait. So here 5A, okay, it is somewhere correct. Let me write it. That is a 6, no? So 6A was what? Motionless. MOTION, motion. LESS, motionless. Then what about 5? Okay, way of looking in a certain 5 I will write here. Now question number 5 is 5A, the others that are remaining. Okay, that are remaining. Then after B, 5B is what? Relaxed. Okay, relax. And thereafter not to use so as to regain health. HEALTH. Okay, let me correct 5. This word is not here. Okay, I will explain you 4-1. So the 4-1 is first is the okay, first is the scenery, and then second is way of considering or looking at the certain matter. Okay, certain matter. Then here you can write opinion as well. Opinion, clear? Now third A and then third B is here, then second A and second B is here, first A and first B is here. Okay, so I hope the things are now clear to you. So student, in this way we have completed all exercise as well as all question answer based on the chapter. So I hope that all things are clear to you. I will give you PDF in the campus care as well as in the WhatsApp group. If you have any doubt, you can ask the queries in the group as well as in YouTube. So till that time student, thank you so much and have a nice day.